What is up, guys, and welcome back to another modding FF7 tutorial. Today I am going to be showing you how to import custom mods into the 7th Heaven mod manager for Final Fantasy VII. Now, mods that come within the launcher are in a specific file type, which is a .iro file. Now, a lot of you probably only have mods in your 7th Heaven that can come from the catalog. You'll search the catalog and you'll find whatever mods that you're going to use and you'll download them, and that's fine. But there are other places to get mods that use 7th Heaven, for example in the Nexus forums, or even, well, to be fair, Quim as well. A lot of you will know what Quim is. I don't really think you can not know what Quim is and use 7th Heaven. But a lot of mods are on Quim now that are not in 7th Heaven because the catalog has not received an update in quite some time. So as you can see, my catalog actually has an awful lot of mods in here, some of which you've probably never seen before, because the catalog has not got them in. There is a new catalog that you guys can use. I will leave a link to the I will leave a link in the description for a copy and paste of the new subscription link, which you should just stick right below the one you already have, and then you will have access to a few new extra mods. But today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to import brand new ones. So if I go into my library tab here, the mod that I've chose to do this video with is the Chaos mod by Calderasha, which is a complete NPC overhaul, or it's a complete 3D model overhaul for anything outside of a fight. And it is not currently in my library whatsoever, because I have it on my desktop right here. Now, there are three ways that you can import custom mods into 7th Heaven. The first one is if you go to your library tab and you click import from IRO archive and choose the IRO file that you want to import, which in this case is my chaos.iro. You will then be asked if you would like to rename the mod. Usually it's a good idea to just not, because, you know, the mod creator chose this name, it just makes sense. And you click OK, and depending on the size of the mod, that could take a very long time, or it could be almost instantaneous like it was there for me. If I now scroll to the bottom of my library, I have the Chaos mod right here, which is already activated. Okay, I do already have it twice. I already tried to record the video once, and apparently forgot to get rid of one of them. Okay. So I'm going to go back to the bottom, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to uninstall this so I can show you the second method. So what I just did there with the importing effectively is 7th Heaven, all it did was it took this file and it copied and pasted it into this folder right here, which is where my Final Fantasy VII is installed, my C drive, games, Final Fantasy VII. And then if you go into your mods and the 7th Heaven folder, you'll find you have loads of either mods with real names that you've imported yourself, or loads of random gibberish, which are from the catalog itself. But this folder is where 7th Heaven looks to find the mods that you currently have. So if you have an IRO file, you can just drag and drop it straight in here. I'm going to restart 7th Heaven. The screen will go black for just a moment while it asks me for administrator privileges. I don't know why it's not allowed to record that, but whatever. And again, we have Chaos here again. So if I go down to my library, right at the bottom, we have Chaos listed again. Okay. So this method is far, far faster. If you import a mod using the import button on your library tab, depending on the size of the mod, it can take a stupid amount of time to port over, because it's just copying and pasting. For example, EchoS. I would never ever use the import button with EchoS because it's over 1 GB in size and it takes ages. It's just ridiculous. It's truly ridiculous. So I'm going to take my chaos.iro back out, so it will no longer be here. I'm going to uninstall. I didn't uninstall it before because I wanted to keep that IRO. When I right click and uninstall something in here, it just deletes the IRO file. That's all it does. And I didn't want it deleted, I just wanted it out. So what I'm going to do now is show you the third method, which is if you happen to have the folder version of a mod, which will look something similar to this. If it has a mod.xml, then it works fine. Or if you're a mod creator yourself, this is a very good way of being able to do this nice and quick. So you can just take the folder version and drag and drop straight inside this folder. It'll take a few seconds, and there we go. Screen will go black again now as it asks me for privileges. Okay, I go to my library, go to the bottom, and once again, Chaos has returned. So there are 3 different ways. And if you were curious about what the forum is where you can download these extra mods that are not in the catalog, there's a link right here. Let me just see if... it won't open. Alright, hold on. Because some of you won't know this. So if I bring this over, we have our Nexus mods right here. I'm pretty sure it's mostly known for like Skyrim and stuff, but you know, this is the Chaos mod that I was using just there. I have my own thing here, which is also this one and this one, directly tied. I'm a part of that one as well. Yeah. But there isn't all that much here, but it's worth looking at. It's definitely worth looking at, because none of these are in the catalog that I'm aware of. So yeah. That is 3 different ways that you can import your own custom mods, or any mods that you find online, into 7th Heaven nice and easily. I hope this video did assist you in some way. If you have any other tutorials, any questions regarding pretty much any topic that's tied to modding Final Fantasy VII, please do leave a comment below asking questions, or if you need a video of some kind to show you how to do something, whether it be music looping or coding or pretty much anything, do let me know and I will do my best to pump out a video for you. I now have much higher quality because I bought myself a new microphone, which is fantastic. I love it. So what I might do, in fact, is over the course of time, I will probably redo most of the videos I've already got. Mainly because audio quality, and second, I've learned a lot of new tricks since I created those videos to begin with. And I mean many new tricks. And I would be disappointed in myself if there were you guys out there, the viewers, still using those old tutorials and creating products that look great, but could look even better because I didn't share these new tricks that I have. But all in all, thank you very much for watching. I really hope this assisted you in some way, and I will see you in the next one.